exercise 5.2. Last class I have discussed about the question 1, 2 and 3 we have already discussed. Today I will be discussing about the question number 4. So the question number 4 it is given, find the value of x in each of the following figures if L is parallel to M. So there are two figures we can see. This is the first figure, this is the second figure. So the first figure and the second figure both has the two parallel lines L and M. This is having one transversal T. This is also having two parallel lines L and M, and we have the two transversals A and B. We need to find out the value of this x, and here also we need to find out the value of x. So let us find out the value of the x. So here, if you consider this line L, okay, this line L, the angle formed by this and the angle formed by this is forming a linear pair. Linear pair, that means the sum of the angles will be equal to 180 degree. Okay, suppose if you consider this angle as an angle y. So let us find out. So let us see the question number 1. So here as I have already told that this line is forming a linear pair. Let us consider this angle as, suppose this angle as angle y. So your line L is forming a linear pair. That is angle 110 degree plus angle y will be equals to 180 degree, because the linear pair angles are the supplementary angles. So here we can consider, so angle y will be equals to 180 minus 110. So what will you get? We will get the angle as 70 degree. So what we have got is angle y is equals to 70 degree. Now here this angle and this angle, these are your complementary angles, and we know that when complementary angles are formed by the parallel lines, the angles are equal. So therefore angle x will be equal to 70 degree. Just in bracket you write complementary angles. Okay, complementary angles. So first one we have done. Let us move to the next question. You can just pause it and you can write it from here. So I am moving to the next question. Question number 2. So our question number 2 is to find out, again, to find out the value of this x. Directly we can find out here, you see. This is, if it is 100 degree and this is your corresponding angle. This is a corresponding angle of your 100 degree. So what will you get? We will get the value of x is equal to 100. Since you can write, since x is a corresponding angle to 100 degree, so angle x will be equal to 100 degree. So we have got question number 4. So this is your question number 4. Let us move to question number 5. So our question number 4, this is our question number 5. So question number 5 is given, this is a given figure, the arms of two angles are parallel. The arms of two angles, if you see the figure, this arm AD and this arm GD, these two arms are parallel. Okay, so we need to find out what will be the value of angle, this one, angle DGC, and we have to find out the value of this angle DEF. Now, since both BA and ZD, okay, we can write that BA is parallel to GD. Therefore, we can write angle DGC will be equal to 70 degree. Why? Because this is a corresponding angles. Okay, this is a corresponding angle. So we have got one answer as DGC, we have got this is equals to 70 degree. Let us move to the next one there, angle DEF, number 2. Angle DEF. Now since angle DGC is equal to 70 degree, angle DEF will be equal to 70 degree. Why? Because again DGC and DEF, again they are a corresponding angle. So this will be your corresponding angles. So we have got both the answer that DCC and DEF both are equal, so you are 70 degree. So now let us move to the question number 6. So our question number 6, number 1 is given. Two parallel lines are there. We have to prove that some figures are given here. We have to prove that whether line L, okay, whether line L is parallel to M. We have to prove that. So if I go for the first figure, we have angles. It is given 126 degree and this is 45 degree, and these are the same angles. Sorry, these are the angles on the same side of the transversal. This is your transversal. Okay, 126 degree and 44 degree are on same side of transversal. Same side of transversal. Therefore, the sum of the angles, that is 126 degree plus 45 degree, this should be equal to 180 degree. Let us find out whether we get 180 degree or not. So it will be 10, so it will be 8, it will be 9. So we have got the angle as 190 degree. So it is proved that we have got 190 degree. So we should get the value as 180 degree. Since the angles are not supplementary, so we cannot consider that line L and M are parallel to each other. Since it is not equal to 180 degree, so the line L and M are not parallel. Okay, so we have done question number 1. Just pause it, you can write it from here. I am going to question number 2. So our next question is, we need to prove that again the line L and M are parallel or not. We have a transversal N. So the transversal N is making an angle of 57 degree and 123 degree. So suppose, let us find out this angle. Let it be considered as X. Because since this 57 degree and X, it is forming a linear pair. So we write as X and 57 degree are forming a linear pair. Therefore, X plus 57 will be equals to 180 degree. So if I find out the value of X, so it will be 180 minus of 57 degree. So the answer will be equals to 123 degree. Now we have got a value of X is equals to 123 degree. Now if you see, this 123 degree and this is also 123 degree. Because these two angles are corresponding angles, okay, since we can write, since X and 123 are corresponding angles, so line corresponding angles and they are equilateral, and they are equal, so line L is parallel to line M. So this is our question number 2. So the next question that we have, the question number 3 and the question number 4. Question 3 and question number 4 is a homework for you that you have to try it by yourself. So we have finished the exercise 5.2 also. So in the next class we'll be discussing about the exercise 6. So thank you for today. We'll be discussing exercise 6 from the next class. Thank you.